Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best gaming keyboard in 2026? In this video, we cover the top 5 best gaming keyboards that deliver elite performance, durability, and next-level RGB lighting. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the CORSAIR K70 RGB Pro mechanical gaming keyboard, which is built for serious gamers who want speed, durability, and style. It keeps the classic K70 design with a strong aluminum frame, smooth Cherry MX RGB red switches, and bright per-key RGB lighting. Thanks to CORSAIR Axon technology, it processes inputs up to 8 times faster, giving you quicker reactions in competitive games. The polycarbonate keycaps are durable and support custom sets, while the tournament switch locks settings for distraction-free play. Pros include excellent build quality, fast performance, and smooth keystrokes. Cons are its premium price and wired-only use. This keyboard is perfect for competitive gamers who value speed and reliability. Coming in at number 4 is the Womier SK80, a stylish 75% mechanical keyboard made for gamers and custom keyboard fans who love visuals and comfort. Its standout feature is the colorful multimedia screen that shows GIFs, system info, and RGB settings at a comfortable viewing angle. The gasket-mounted design with EVA padding delivers a soft, quiet, and satisfying typing feel. Pre-lubed hot-swappable switches make customization easy, while vibrant RGB lighting adds personality. Pros include smooth keystrokes, strong customization, and eye-catching design. Cons are the learning curve of the software and no wireless option. This keyboard is perfect for users who want a customizable, visually unique keyboard for gaming and everyday use. At number 3, we have the ASUS ROG Strix Scope Defect 2 96 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, which is perfect for users who want a compact design without losing important keys. It offers a 96% layout that saves desk space while keeping the number pad. With tri-mode connectivity, you can switch between Bluetooth, fast T2.4 GHz wireless or wired use, and enjoy long battery life. Pre-lubed hot swappable switches deliver smooth, quiet typing with enhanced sound dampening. RGB lighting, media controls, and gaming hotkeys add convenience. Pros include versatility, comfort, and customization. Cons are its higher price and slightly heavier build. This keyboard is ideal for gamers, streamers, and professionals who want one keyboard for everything. Taking the number 2 spot is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL Gen 3, which is built for competitive gamers who want maximum speed and control. It features OmniPoint 3.0 Hall effect switches with fully adjustable actuation, making every key press incredibly fast and precise. Rapid trigger and rapid tap reduce latency for quicker reactions, while protection mode helps prevent accidental key presses during intense moments. The TKL design saves desk space without losing performance, and the OLED smart display lets you adjust settings without leaving your game. Pros include unmatched speed, deep customization, and esports-ready design. Cons are the premium price and limited appeal for casual users. This keyboard is perfect for serious esports and FPS players who demand top-tier performance. And finally, our number 1 pick is the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, a feature-packed 75% keyboard made for both gaming and everyday use. It offers tri-mode connectivity with Bluetooth, fast 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired support, plus a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. Hot swappable switches, pre-lubed stabilizers, and deep sound dampening layers deliver a smooth, creamy typing feel with reduced noise. The compact layout saves desk space while keeping essential keys, and the multi-function knob makes lighting and media control easy. Pros include great customization, solid build, and vibrant RGB. Cons are its heavier weight and software learning curve. This keyboard is perfect for gamers and enthusiasts wanting value, customization, and wireless flexibility. And there you have it, the top 5 best gaming keyboards. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.